Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 5th of August 2024 and the week ends on 9th of August 2024. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made fantastic profits on the previous analysis and the messages that I'm getting from all of you on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for all of that feedback, but obviously I cannot reply to all of you at the same time because when I get messages it keeps scrolling down automatically. New messages comes, the olders go down, but it doesn't mean I don't read. I read all of your messages and comments, so I am so much grateful and thankful to all of you for sending me such a good feedback. The majority of messages, I wasn't sure about it, that most of you guys are holding pound dollar as a buy. So well, anyways, if you took this trade, I'm kind of like a very happy person at this stage, that I wasn't thinking most of the trader will be interested in this buy setup. But when I saw your messages, so obviously I became happy because someone out there is trying to learn my method. So anyways, right here if you see, this is the pound US dollar, and today I'm going to discuss crude oil, silver, USD CAD, dollar CHF, dollar JPY, New Zealand CAD, and pound dollar and the euro US dollar. So I hope this analysis will bring very nice and positive changes in your overall trading. Now before starting the session, I have like a very special request from all of you. Please don't skip the video, stay with me from start till the end, and I am sure you will understand each and every step in detail and you will never miss any information. So this is a request. If you can just watch from start till the end, that will be super great. So right here, as all of you know, I was on this bullish impulsive wave, and it was 422 pips of up move right here. So how I identified this, you can check back the previous videos, but those who are watching me for the first time, let me tell you, and this is kind of like recap of the previous analysis as well. If you see, let me delete this Fibonacci for now. If you see right here, there was a very fantastic buying opportunity right here near the 61.8% retracement, and now those of you who know me, I never miss a 618 retracement trade. So luckily we have got it, and this was the ABCD pattern, most of you know, and it got completed. What's after that, what I told you is that I could took a sell position from right here, and I have titled this area for a sell position, but when I make profit from one trade, I don't immediately jump into another one. So for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, from 12 days I'm trying to find out a good trading opportunity on the pound dollar, but obviously when I get it, I will trade it. Now last week what I said to those sellers who were selling from this particular place, what I have told you is that no doubt this is like 1 2 3 4 5 right here the market was standing. Let me highlight this area, and what I said, let's go to the H4 and let's find out that this area was sort of like a consolidation area, and any buying decisions, those who took buying decisions on the basis of this consolidation area, remember my friends, you must have lost the trade this week, because I clearly have told you we will need a sort of confirmation, and once we get that confirmation, then we will be able to take that trade. So right here, let's have a look at it. For the confirmation, I want to discuss it. If you see this particular candle, this green, near this zone 1.27756. If you see this particular candle, it is a bullish. Most of the traders call it a bullish, and they send me messages, hey Aftab, hey Aftab, hey Aftab. I say, oh, what happened, what happened? We have got a bullish candle right here. Do you think we should buy? Well, do you think this candle is bigger than the previous one? No. So do you think you should buy right here? No. You should wait for the market, and when the market is in the right place, then trade. Practice this, my friends. I promise you, you will become successful. So right here, obviously, the sell story continued, and I just like I have told you that this sell will be towards 1.2715, right? Just have a look at it on a weekly basis, and this is the situation. Right now the weekly situation is a bit more different. Make sure, if you are watching me for the first time, or if you have missed my previous weekly forex forecast video, then I highly suggest make sure to check out my long-term analysis, because that is pointing towards 1.36666 level. But before that, this is a sell level, right? And it acted to be a very fantastic one. Now remember, my friends, market dropped how much? Let's see, 348 pips it dropped, and there is still a chance that the market can further drop, because if we see this trend line all the way from 2022, market seems to be taking a retest of that, and then it will continue back up and complete this 1.36 level. And even if you see this is kind of like a channel at the moment. So this is kind of like a channel at the moment, right? And obviously this as well. So I assume this for now. This is the stronger one. So market definitely will be coming back down. If we move to the daily time frame, and right here if I show you, there is a very strong confirmation. But again, I would say that the sellers we have seen on Thursday, we haven't witnessed buyers right here. So obviously I am holding a buy position right here, and a buy position just because if you see this is an uptrend, and this on the basis of this trend line, just like I discussed previously, I'm going to take a position like I took a position, and I will try to leave this position near this 1.29168 and 1.28744. so that will be giving me good profits, and I'm willing, once I get this profit, I will also be going for a withdrawal, right? Most of the traders, you know, my friends, most of the traders, what they do is they keep making profits. One of the drawback of this market is that money can be made very easily, and that easy money making process can put the trader in danger, because the trader think, hey, this market is now completely mine, let's take every opportunity, and the trader becomes overconfident. Remember, whenever a trader becomes overconfident, it means that this market is going to trigger that person, right? Now there is a very simple plan for the euro US dollar. There is a lot going on right here, but simply if I tell you, this is a very fantastic resistance we have, and market almost touched it, right? And there is a fantastic Fibonacci as well right here, and the price is almost near this place. So as per the ABCD pattern, what it is showing us, it is definitely telling us that the market is continuing back to this previous resistance. Now is this any difficult? No. A buy from here, and currently 147 pips up. Now congratulations everyone if you last week took it. 4 days wait it required, and on the 5th Friday it gave fantastic profits right here. And by fantastic I mean fantastic. Let me tell you a fact, most of the traders, a lot of the traders, are winning profits in this market. You know, when they say 95% of the traders lose money, well, yes, they lose money, but not because of the market, but because of their own mistake. So if a trader is keep repeating mistakes again and again and again and again, what will happen at the end? The account will wash. No one will be able to save that trader who don't care for himself, for his trade. Now I want to ask you a question, and you have to give me the answer in the comment section down below. Do you think overtrading is good? If you think it's not, why you overtrade? Please let me know in the comment section down below. So these 5% makes 95% of the profit. So I say, being in this industry and being followers of Aftab, if I give you a move of 500 pips, isn't it possible for you to just grab 200 pips from it during the week, if not all 500? These are the tactics, my friends, and I share valuable information like this, but most traders, they skip the video. Now there are a lot of fake people in this market as well. Fake people who will just try to divert your focus from your own strategy to their strategy. I'm not like that. Why I'm not like that? Because I don't want to earn any single penny from all of you. I'm super happy what I'm earning from right here. I'm happy about it. So some messages I have got, that's why this is the response. So those who gave me those messages, make sure to check it out. Moving on to the euro dollar again on the daily, and this is obviously like a very strong move to the top side, and it was expected. It was expected with a stop loss of 98 pips. Till now so far it is giving 119 pips. I took the profit and I said, I don't want to be into this trade anymore. On some smaller accounts, on bigger accounts, I can't say anything about that. That is confidential. And the bigger accounts are not my own, okay? Prop firms, you can say. So my friends, 1.10554 is going to be the new level, but for that I have to run a little bit of anatomy of the 4-hour. Last week what I said, this market started with a 3 touch, 1, 2, 3, followed by a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. And don't think, if you are watching me for the first time, don't think that I'm just randomly doing it. I have traded them. I have made profit from it. My clients made profit from it. So fantastic one. And a very good support level right here. So let's see if in the upcoming week there will be one other possibility with us. That will be on H1. I personally don't trade H1. But if the market drops toward this area of support near 1.08360, it can become a good support. So this is going to be the support. Now the weekly support and the weekly resistance levels are these: 1.09825 and 1.08057. So last week we couldn't get a sell, but before that we took this sell obviously. And now I'm expecting that I will get a drop of around 145 pips again. So that will be even more further nice and beautiful for me. Crude oil, if we see, it broke the Fibonacci. It stopped me out. Right here I entered. Initially it was giving me 223 pips, but my take profit was 81.460 pips. Right here. These days I became a little bit, if I tell you honestly, my greed level has increased a little bit. I am against the greed, but my greed level has increased a little bit because I need more money. And as all of you know, I have to build and I have to buy land and then I have to buy and build a house. So for that I definitely need money. And it is like, see, real life that real life event gave me stopped me out right here on the crude oil. Now you must be thinking, how? I'm looking for more money. When I'm trading with my own rhythm, I'm done okay. Suddenly I need to construct a house and I need more money, and I became greedy. I took a buy position from right here. Initially was giving me around 229 pips. I was targeting for 552 pips, but it stopped me out at break even. I didn't earn anything. I didn't lost anything. For the sake of understanding, I'm just telling you this, that whenever you need a lot of money in your life, for your family, from your kids, for your bills, mortgages, everything, if your expenses get increases, it will put burden on your head, and once your head is under pressure, you will either become greedy or you will become taking bad trading decisions. But anyways, so yes, stopped out my friends. 230 pips it was giving me, now it's not giving me, but at least I'm happy that I haven't lost anything. So from here till there it would be around like a $500 of profit. I did earn nothing, but at least I'm happy. I made good from the pound dollar, from the euro dollar. And since I have no big sum of capital, so I take micro lots, 0.02, 0.03, 0.01, because I believe in my system. Now one more thing, let's say I believe my system too much, too strong belief I have, but it can turn against me. And how? If I take any trading decisions with a very big lot size, I will have fear in my mind. I will not be able to sleep. I will say, oh, if that happens, if this happens, my brain will become negative. And as soon as you become negative, the losses start from that same place, and the same strategy can turn against me. So my friends, that's why I tell you to keep each and every step very, very carefully in this market. So right here, obviously this level is not respected, and this is the all-time respected area for it. But let's see if it broke the 61.8, and yes, it did. The situation can be tricky. So I'm now deleting some of these. There is this pattern right here. If you see, this Fibonacci trade is still active, and this is followed by a support. So yes, if some more candles right here, then it can, for the week, pay close attention. This can become my support, and that can become my resistance for the upcoming week. 78 somewhere is a resistance, and the support is 72. But this is crude oil and it has dropped so much, so definitely it will show some tendency to the upside of the market, and if it do, that's going to be the perfect trade. So yes, I'm planning to put some money on a buy of crude oil, silver, dollar. What I said, personally I couldn't trade it this one, but it is 336 pips of move, my friend. What is Fibonacci? What is ABCD pattern? Is it any difficult? At the start of May this year, what I said is, it was dropping, it dropped. I said it's correcting, it corrected. I said it's dropping, it dropped. Now what I say is, Now either it should be giving us a break below this zone, because obviously it is completed. So 170, this is also up, and with a sell area near this zone of 30.02. So this is for the week going to be a resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, support 1, support 2, and support 3. And those who ask me for the pattern, this was the correct pattern it played. Is it any difficult, my friends? No, it's not difficult at all. This is us, just like I have told you. If I violate the rule, this same winning strategy, my own system, my own 80% winning system can turn against me. I am the owner of the system. I understand it very, very nicely. I do everything very nicely. I understand each and every level very nicely. But even you see right here, this is my limit. If I say I want to trade this, if I trade this, then the same strategy can turn against me. So lot size and the risk management is very much 30. Right, my friends? So yes, 30.056, it's approaching. Let's see what we get. Dollar CAD right here. On the daily basis, it stopped me out, but on the long term, the trades that I took from right here, and I discussed it with all of you. Remember, my friends, whenever I see a trading setup, I immediately share it in the next weekly Forex forecast video. So this was also, let me do it a little bit neat. See this particular place right here. Isn't it support? It is. So this is a weekly support for me, and it's going very, very nicely. Where is the next support? Let's have a look at it. Yes, it is. This is a support, and where is the resistance? This is going to be the resistance. Very simple it is. Move on to the weekly chart. Yes, the weekly shows very, very nice, but the weekly also shows resistance 1. That is very near right here. So what do you think? Shall we take a sell trade right here? At every resistance, we don't take sell positions. Remember, my friends. But it doesn't mean we cannot. We can. Because to the hard part, like if I take a sell right here upon confirmation, it will just take 100 pips of my profit, but in return it has the capability to give me around 700 pips of profit. So isn't it good? It is. Move on to the dollar CHF. I didn't took any trade on this one other than this sell, most of you remember, and I exited right here. If I extend it, and now it has broke this trend line, and the trend was on the Friday. So I definitely will need some sort of confirmation right here, because this is another support level we have. Let's delete these lines a little bit. I explained them last week, so make sure to check it out. See this 325 pips, then this 222 pips, then this 327 pips. Now right here it can give me a pullback towards 0.87763, and if that happens, it can be a retest, and maybe next week from there we will be selling towards the previous low right here. So support 1 is broken, support 2, let's see in the upcoming week, but at least this level should give around 200-300 pips of profit easily, right, my friends? Same is the case on the dollar yen. Well, my friends, dollar yen has gone so much up, and this is now let's suppose this price reaches here, and if it closes below this, like this is still valid, but we are not going to trade it. Any stop loss hit, that's hit. And anyways, I wasn't on this particular trade opportunity, but those of you who were, because see, I didn't get any 61.8% retracement. So I want to delete it, and I want to consider now this whole, like, see this, let me show you. Now this is going to be my support, not my support, everyone's support it is, and obviously this is the resistance. So from right here till up there, I will draw Fibonacci and I will find out the correct place. So let these sellers take profit near 141.02, and then we decide what we need to do. Right, my friends? If you are holding a sell position, I am personally holding nothing on the dollar yen. Because if it drops from here, how do I know? I had no Fibonacci. But this 130 and this 162, this $30 of range is going to be a strong range for ourselves in the future. 127. Yes, not very old, but just 2-3 years old. On the daily, if we see, whenever a setup tries to fail, it will give you an indication. Let me show you. Reversal, let's say I took a buy position with a stop loss 259 pips. The next candle bearish, the next candle very tiny bullish. So I would definitely leave the market right here, or maybe right here, without waiting for the stop loss. Why? Because if I wait for the stop loss, it means I can miss this breakout. So those of you who were on this breakout trade, well, I don't like to take breakout trades to the bottom side. It was good, 215 pips of stop loss and 721 pips of TP, and it can further go down, but still I was not interested in this particular one. So my friends, this is Forex, remember, and always it will be giving you profits. Always the buy level will be giving you profit, the sell level will be giving you profit. Check back all of my, from the start of the channel till now so far, check back every video of mine. Any video, randomly pick one, compare it with the market and see what I said and then what the market did. I'm not saying these things from myself. There is a proper system, proper strategy, and then I get these levels. And there is one good news. I have also hired internees and I'm looking for more. I want people who can help me identify support and resistance, because sometimes I'm busy somewhere and I have no time to analyze the market. So they can tell me that, Aftab, there is a support, be aware, do what we do, what the clients should do, whatever. So slowly and gradually I'm trying to build my own team, right? And to be part of the team, make sure, contact me. This is the WhatsApp number, right? So pray for me. I'm very tense these days, very tense I should say, because building a house these days and buying the land and all of the stuff, too difficult, right my friends? But I have to, because yeah, I have to. And one request I have, since see, on this channel I'm not like running any TV channel or TV show or something like that. This is like one-on-one with my audience, right my friends? So I'm trying and I'm planning to show you around the places right here, because obviously I will need a little bit more money. So for that I will need to vlog a little bit, and then you have to cooperate with me. You have to check back and you have to watch those vlogs. But first, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you want to see from right here from my city, so I can add that one other stream of income, so that I can build the house very quickly, and then I will be 24/7 completely in Forex for all of you, right? Try to support me as more as you can. I'll see you in the next video of gold US dollar. A detailed session is pending and I have to upload that tomorrow same time. So till then, take a lot of care of yourself, and like, share, subscribe, comment, feedback, WhatsApp, do everything. Goodbye.